Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find and join guild team and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. Don't worry guys, if you haven't joined a team yet, I'm going to show you how you can find a team and how you can join it. First, you're going to join grow a garden Discord server. You can search the Discord server on the internet. You can use your browser such as Google Chrome or anything that you have. And then you're going to search Grow a Garden Discord server. I've joined Grow a Garden official Discord server here. And after you join it, you can go to the announcement and you're going to visit this link. Okay, and it will bring you to this menu. And if you want to join a guild team, you can go to the guild and you will see a team which is looking for a guild. But now, oh, it's not available. Oh, this one. You can scroll down guys, and then I think this is the minimum shackle, so you have to join this team. And yeah, just like that. You can also go to the newest. Oh, I think I can join this team. Yeah, it's according, or it depends on the shekels that you have. And then you just need to click on join. Wait. Okay, just click on the guild team and then you can message the owner. And you can also view on roblox. Okay guys, and that's how you can find and join a guild team and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!